Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G31 and let me show you how to turn on and off camera watermark at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings, and now we have to tap to photos category. Here at the last place we have watermark option, so let's pick it. And now we get access to 3 types of watermarks. Let me focus on the second option now, device watermark. By using the button from the right we can easily turn on and turn off Motorola's watermark. When it's turned on, it also appears here in short preview, so we can see it closer. We have shot on Moto G31W watermark, and this is how to use that. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.